What's up, people? How you doing? How's it going? My name is Alex, and today, hopefully, we'll be able to earn some money. The weather is too windy. It's just raining and raining and raining. I mean, I guess it's the third day in a row. However, I want the short sleeves because my house is warm and hot. And hopefully, well, I don't really know why I started talking about weather, but I would love to talk about my Telegram private group because I started noticing that you started following, I started joining, and I received some couple of messages about you winning, not thousands, of course, a couple of $100, and that made me mad crazy. Not mad crazy, but that made me mad happy, just crazily happy. I am really very much delighted. I'm very happy seeing those screenshots and hearing your comments and your joy, your happiness. I mean, everything. I'm truly very much happy regarding that. Guys, thank you for believing in me. Thank you for working with me. You are making a couple of hundreds. Sooner you're gonna make a couple of thousands. I promise you. So do not forget to join my Telegram private group if you like to be earning as well as my students, my partners. I don't know, just the people that follow me. So do not forget to leave a like, as well as do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm starting my trading session. So what we are having right now, amount 50. I do apologize, I've received some message in the Telegram, and I'm going for long, guys, because right now we are having trend reversal, and as you can see, we have bounced up from the support line, which was proven by the zigzag, which is 1.30873, and yeah, I truly believe that we're gonna be just going long. Perfect. There you go. Nice. Just perfectly done. I like it. Alright, let's move to Euro and Russian rubles here. Putting it at $196. And I'm gonna be going for long, I guess. Because owing to the oscillator, according to the oscillator, we should be going for long though. Because, I mean, the price has, the price and the candles, they have already broken the middle line of the candle, and this is the main reason why this is what is happening right now. That's the main reason why it's just raising and raising. You see that? It's just 30 seconds left. What did I just say? 30 seconds. I wanted to say like 30 seconds left. Sometimes I'm having some issues with pronouncing 3 or 30 or 13 or 30. I don't know. Sometimes it happens, you know. I'm not a robot, I'm a real human being, and sometimes that's so natural that I'm having some mistakes. But I'm not having any type of mistakes in the trading though. $267 in my balance right now. Alright, changing our amount to 180 I'm gonna be having here. And we are having Euro and Great British Pounds, and we are going for long, guys. Look at this. We are just having the bullish trend. We're just having the strong upward trend, and nothing is odd right there. Vortex is perfect. The price is above the moving average, plus it is above the upper boundary of the candle channel. Everything is keep being broken. Perfect. Nice. $432.92. I'm gonna be going for long, guys. I truly believe that, yeah, you know, I truly believe that we're gonna be having a bounce back, and the trend is gonna just reverse, even though we are not really having a clear trend there. Like, look at this, what I'm having. Look at this, what I'm having. We have just bounced off from the lower boundary of the parallel of the corridor. Nice. Oh my god, look at this like candle. Look at it. Yeah, nice. So that expected bounce has approved itself, and I don't know. I mean, price just reacts off the channel's midline. And Vortex supported the long option, so here we go. $576. Mwah. Nice. Australian Canadian dollars right here are where we are. We are not really having that strong uptrend, but if we are betting $570 right here, I guess we should be going for long. Vortex is for long. We have broken the middle line of the Kepner. The price is above the moving average, above the both of moving averages. So, you know, kind of easy for me to predict, I would love to say. Great, $1,233. Moving to euro and francs. Ooh, guys, we are having the same situation, but that one is the opposite. So we're gonna be betting 1,100 right here. We're gonna be going for shorts, but I need the great opening spot, and here we go. Nice. Here you freaking go. So guys, I'm explaining you. The price is below both of the moving averages. The price is below the lower boundary of the Kepner channel. According to the Vortex, it should be short. Zigzag should be short. Having the support level 0.90338, we have some space for that. So, not hard to predict. In the meantime, I would like to inform you, I would like to remind you, I'd like to let you know that I'm having the Telegram private group where you are able to just join for absolutely no money and start earning that. You know, I'm not asking for even a cent, even a dollar, nothing. You just enter in there, start and begin earning, and you'll see the result by yourself. I mean, not talking too much. $2,245 in 10 minutes, or even less than that. Great, I guess. So do not forget to leave a like, do not forget to join my Telegram private group, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, because I don't want you to be missing my new videos. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.